So it's day 41 on the daily dollar cost average for Bitcoin. And again, we'll just get right into it. Do $333 conversion from DAI over to Bitcoin. And we'll just go home, go to the portfolio. So as you can see, Bitcoin's up 4.89%. Cardano's doing really well. Everyone's talking about it since it's been on Coinbase Pro. So I'm kind of holding off on getting that Binance account because I think eventually it'll probably just come to regular Coinbase. Like the reason why I'm not using Coinbase Pro is because I'm trying to make this as simple as possible to everybody. I don't want to overwhelm anybody with that kind of sophisticated trading platform on Coinbase Pro. I'm just trying to make this basic, just so people know what's going on, because a lot of that it gets kind of confusing, and so we'll just wait for that. If that Cardano comes over, I'm not in a huge rush. But the other altcoins that I have, the Algorand, if you notice, is up. See, 10.28%. That's doing very well. Cosmos is up 0.53%, not a big deal. Chainlink is up 6.73. They were up like over 10%, and the graph is up 2.84. Ethereum's up 2.35. But the big news right now is Cardano. Everybody's kind of piling into it, because of the whole adoption by Coinbase. So anyways, we'll go over to YouTube to see what everybody's saying. And we have Cryptos are us saying Bitcoin to reach 288 by year end. And again, they always put like question marks, because if they're wrong, they say, well, I didn't say it was. I said it could, But anyways, and Crypto Capital Venture, Bitcoin reminders as BTC price rockets, bull market just starting. Michael Saylor and Max Kaiser destroy Bitcoin energy consumption criticism, because that's the big thing. Everybody talks about how Bitcoin is harmful to the environment because mining it takes up a lot of energy. But again, if you want to talk about what takes up a lot of energy, look at Google. Google is probably the biggest energy user in the world. To run those search engines takes huge amounts of energy, but nobody talks about that. Bitcoin poised nicely for 70K. So some billionaire Howard Marks changed his mind on Bitcoin. BTC to 500K by 2024. I personally think it'll be there a lot sooner than that. That's just my own opinion, but we'll see. Let's see. Bitcoin only use is to hold onto it and hope. Economist Peter Schiff, the genius gold investor who's made nothing over the last 20 years. So yeah, this Raoul Paul guy is talking about it. It's the same stuff. It's nothing special. Oh yeah, actually, this is kind of the big news. Morgan Stanley allows clients to buy Bitcoin with NYDIG and Novogratz Galaxy Digital. So Morgan Stanley's pulling in. This is allowing clients to buy it. So that is actually very big news. This guy again screaming. Anyways, it's just essentially the same thing. I guess with the exception of Morgan Stanley, it's nothing really to talk about today. It's the same story. Bitcoin is, I think it's doing okay. It's holding its own. Again, I don't have a crystal ball. This is all speculation. And again, the reason why I like showing this, because it just illustrates that there's this huge wall of noise surrounding any sort of investment, but certainly Bitcoin. And your best defense for that is daily dollar cost averaging. Just buy it slow, be consistent, and you'll be able to make gains without assuming way too much volatility. And this sort of thing just exemplifies just how chaotic it can get. Like, it's like you're in the middle of a war and there's, all these explosions going on and whatever. Just a lot of a lot of noise, but there is a lot of hope and certainty if you play it right. It's just, you have to be able to tune out the noise. And this is the best way I found that it works for me. And again, this isn't financial advice. Just works for me. So anyways, it's just a short one today. I just wanted to, do my buy for the day, just go over this news. I'm not really interested in watching anything today. And we'll pick it up again tomorrow. So again, just stay consistent, try to stay calm, cool, and collective, and, stick to your overall plan, and don't try to be deviated from what others say. To a certain extent, it's a weird thing because you have to know what's going on, but it's like you have to know what's going on in the macro sense, what the big picture is, but every little noise, every little disruption, you can't react to it, because then you'll just go out of your mind. So anyways, know the macro trend, but don't be deviated by the micro, sensationalism is essentially what I'm saying. So anyways, just stick with it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.